In this video, I will show you step by step whether it is possible to earn a failed spot order in Bybit. So if you want to earn a failed spot order in Bybit, let me show you the possible method whether you can do it or not. After you open up the Bybit app, go to your trade. After you go to trade section, so from the trade, now we tap on this option. So now we tap on this now we tap on this option. So after you go to this option now, as you can see now, under the my history, under all my history, there is some field trade. As you can see now, these all are my field trades that I completed. This one, and this one. So now if I want to end them, let's open one of them. Just tap on one of them. If you open one of them, as you can see now, here it says field history. So under the field history, as you can see now, everything has been completed. So you can never be able to end a field trade because has been completed. It has become a fast trade. That it has become your, like in the past. You can never just retrieve what is going in the past. So whenever just all this action has been happened in the Bybit, all the charges that the Bybit will charge me, they have already charged me. Here is all the charges. So now I will not be able now to retrieve them. So the simple answer is you cannot retrieve or you cannot earn a field trade in the Bybit order. So you can only earn a trade that has not been executed. Let's say if I go to the under the Bybit, as you can see now, under this option now, let's say now I wanted, like, let's say now I want to buy this one. I want to add 60. I wanted to buy 50. So let's say now I wanted to buy this amount of LTC for this amount. If I tap on this buy in the limit option, I'll confirm this. So if I scroll to down, as you can see now under the trade, now I have this trade and the trade is open. So now I can be able now to end this one by tapping on this cancel button. But any trade that has been filled, you cannot be able to end it. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.